When it comes to improving the security, aesthetics, and energy efficiency of your home or business, replacing your doors is one of the most impactful decisions you can make. Whether you're considering a new front door, patio door, or interior doors, choosing the right door replacement service in Jacksonville Beach is crucial for ensuring quality work and a hassle-free experience. But with so many options available, how do you determine which service is best for your needs? Here are some key factors to consider when selecting a door replacement service in Jacksonville Beach. Experience and reputation. One of the first things to look for when choosing a door replacement service is their experience in the industry. A company with years of experience is likely to have a proven track record of quality work. Established businesses are also more likely to be familiar with a variety of door styles and installation methods, ensuring they can meet your specific needs. Beyond years of experience, reputation matters too. Check for reviews and testimonials from past customers. Websites like Google, Yelp, and Angie's List can give you insights into a company's reputation. If a business has consistently positive reviews and high ratings, it's a good indication that they're reliable and trustworthy. Variety of door options. When choosing a door replacement service, you'll want to work with a company that offers a wide range of door options. Whether you're looking for a stylish front door to make a statement or a durable, energy-efficient patio door, your service provider should be able to guide you in selecting the right door for your home or business. Make sure the service provides various types of doors, including wood, fiberglass, steel, and glass doors. They should also offer custom options to fit your unique style and needs. If the company offers energy-efficient doors with advanced insulation properties, this can also contribute to reducing your energy bills in the long run. Quality of materials. The durability and performance of your new door depend heavily on the quality of materials used. Be sure to inquire about the materials the company uses for door replacement services. High-quality materials ensure longevity and resilience against weather, wear, and tear. Many reputable door replacement services in Jacksonville Beach work with top-tier manufacturers, offering you products that are not only beautiful but also long-lasting and energy-efficient. Opt for services that prioritize using premium materials, as they will guarantee your new doors stand the test of time. Licensed and insured. When hiring a door replacement service, always ensure that the company is licensed and insured. A licensed contractor adheres to local codes and standards, ensuring the work is performed safely and correctly. Insurance is also essential in case of any accidents or damages during the installation process. Hiring a licensed and insured service provider offers peace of mind, knowing that you're covered in the event of unforeseen circumstances. Before hiring, ask to see proof of both licensing and insurance. Installation process and expertise. Door replacement isn't just about buying a new door, it's about professional installation. Even the best door won't perform well if it's not installed properly. The company you choose should have skilled, trained professionals who can ensure that your door is installed correctly, with all hardware and sealing components properly aligned. Ask about the installation process, how long it will take, what the steps involve, and whether they handle everything from start to finish, including removal of old doors. A company with experienced technicians will ensure that the door fits perfectly and functions optimally, providing the security and comfort you desire. Customer service and communication. Excellent customer service is essential throughout the door replacement process. Choose a company that communicates clearly and promptly with you from the initial consultation to post-installation follow-up. You should feel confident that your questions are answered and your concerns are addressed in a professional manner. A good service provider will listen to your needs, offer helpful suggestions, and provide clear pricing and timelines up front. Communication is key to ensuring a smooth, successful project, and working with a company that values customer satisfaction can make all the difference. Cost and financing options. While it's important not to base your decision solely on price, affordability is a key factor. Compare quotes from different door replacement services in Jacksonville Beach to ensure you're getting a competitive rate for quality work. Many companies offer financing options or promotions, which can help make the replacement process more affordable. Make sure you understand the total cost, including any additional fees for installation or removal of the old door. Warranty and after-sales service. Finally, consider the warranty and after-sales services provided by the door replacement company. A solid warranty indicates that the company stands behind the quality of their products and services. Look for warranties that cover both the door and the installation process. Additionally, inquire about any ongoing maintenance services. Some companies offer regular maintenance to ensure your door continues to perform at its best, especially if you choose high-performance doors like storm or security doors. Conclusion. Choosing the best door replacement service in Jacksonville Beach involves careful consideration of several factors. By focusing on experience, reputation, product variety, and installation expertise, you can find a company that meets your needs and provides long-lasting results. Take the time to research and ask questions, and you'll be on your way to enjoying a beautiful, functional, and secure door for years to come.